Number work. In the table below, color the boxes of the numbers from 1 to 10 red, the boxes of numbers 11 to 20 green, and so on. Thus color all the boxes using different colors. Now children, you have learned the numbers from 1 to 100. Let us revise them in a colorful manner. So now let's begin. Let us find out number 1. Now color this box in red color. Can you locate number 2? That's right. Color it red. Now let us look for number 3. Here is number 3. Let's color the box in red color. Now number 4. Here is number 4. Let's color the box in red color. Let us locate number 5. Here is number 5. Now color it in red. Can you notice where is number 6? Yes, there is number 6. Let us color the box red. Now let's look for number 7. Here is number 7. Color the box red. Let us find out number 8 and color the box containing number 8 in red color. Here is number 8. Now number 9. Here is number 9 and let us color the box red. Can you find number 10? Yes, you're right. That's number 10. Let's color it in red color. Now let us find numbers from 11 to 20. First let us find 11. Let's color it green. Now let us look for number 12. Let us color it green. Where is number 13? Here is number 13. Let us color the box in green color. And where is number 14? Here it is. Let us color the box containing number 14 in green color. Now let us add a dash of green color in the box containing number 15. And here is number 15. Let's color it. Time to locate number 16. Yes, here it is. Let us color the box green. Now, number 17. Let us color the box with green color. Let us find out number 18. Here it is. We'll color the box green. Here comes number 19. Let us color the box green. Now let us color the box containing number 20 in green color. Here is the box. Color it then. Now let us color the boxes containing numbers from 21 to 30 in yellow color. First we will find number 21. Here is it. Now let us color the box yellow. Now locate number 22 and color the box yellow. Can you look for number 23? Here it is. Color the box yellow then. Let us add yellow color to the box containing number 24. And here is number 24. Let's color it then. Now, let us locate number 25. Here it is. Let us color it yellow. Now, number 26. Can you find number 26? You are a genius, that's right. Now color the box yellow. Can you find number 27? That's right. Now color the box yellow. Now let us look for number 28. And here is number 28. Now color it in yellow. Can you notice number 29? Here is number 29. Now color the box containing number 29 in yellow color. Number 30. Color the box with yellow. Now let us find numbers from 31 to 40 and color them in girls' favorite color pink. Here is number 31. Let us color the box containing number 31 pink. Now look for number 32. Here it is. Now color the box in pink. Can you look for number 33? Yes, that's correct. There is number 33. Let us color the box pink. Now let us color the box pink, which contains number 34. And here is the box. Let us color it pink. Now let us find number 35 and color the box pink. Now look for number 36 and color it pink. Here, find out number 37. Yes, you're right. Now color it pink then. After 37, we have 38. So let us find out number 38. Here it is. Now color it pink. Now it is the turn of number 39. And once you find number 39, color the box containing number 39 pink. Let's find out number 40 and color it pink. Now let us find out numbers from 41 to 50 and color them brown. Here is number 41. Color the box containing number 41 in brown color. Let us look for number 42. And here is number 42. Let's color the box brown. Let us find out number 43 and color the box brown. That's right. Now let us find out number 44 and color the box containing number 44 brown in this manner. Children, can you look for number 45? You are right. Now color the box brown. We need to find number 46 and color the box brown, which contains number 46. That's right, in this manner. Where is number 47? Can you look for it? Yeah, right. Now color the box containing 47 in brown color. Now let us look for number 48 and color the box containing number 48 in brown color. Let us apply brown color to the box containing number 49. And here is number 49. Time to color box containing number 50 brown. Right. After 50, we have 51. So now we'll locate number 51 to 60 and color them in vibrant orange color. First look for number 51 and color the box containing number 51 in orange. Now we'll look for number 52 and color the box containing number 52 in orange color. Now look for number 53 and color the box containing number 53 in orange color. Can you look for number 54? You're right, color it orange. Can you search for number 55? Oh, you're a genius. Now color the box containing number 55 in orange. Now number 56. Why don't you color the box in orange color then? Now look for number 57 and color the box containing number 57 in orange color. Here comes 58. And let us color the box containing 58 in orange color. Let us put a dash of orange color in the box containing number 59, and here it is. Now number 60. Let us color the box containing number 60 in orange color. Now number 61 to 70, and let us color them purple. Here is number 61 and color the box containing number 61 in purple color. Now let us add purple color to the box containing number 62. Let's find out number 63. Here it is. Now color the box containing number 63 in purple. Can you find number 64? Now color it purple. Let us find out number 65 and color the box containing number 65 in orange. Here comes number 67 and let us color the box containing number 67 in purple color. Now let us look for number 58 and color the box containing 58 in purple. Let us add some purple color to the box containing number 59. But before that, find out number 59. Now, number 60. Let us color the box containing number 60 in purple color. Right. Now we'll locate numbers from 71 to 80 and color them gray. First, let us find number 71 and color the containing box gray. Now look for number 72 and color the box gray. Let us color the box containing number 73 in gray color. Let us find out number 74 and color it gray. Now we'll look for number 75 and color the containing box gray. Let us add gray color to the box containing number 76. Let us find number 77 and color it gray. Now look for number 78 and color the box containing number 78 in gray. Look up for number 79 and color the box gray. Now look for number 80 and color the box containing number 80 in gray color. Now, numbers from 81 to 90. Let us locate for numbers from 81 to 90 and color them red. Here is number 81 and color the box containing number 81 red. Now look for number 82 and color it in red color. Let us find out number 83 and color the box containing number 83 in red color. Now look for number 84 and color the box containing 84 red. Let's find number 85 and color the box containing number 85 red. Let us add color to the box containing number 86 and the color would be red. Now add color red to the box containing number 87. Can you find number 88? Now color the box containing number 88 in red color. Can you look for number 89? Now color it red. Let's find out number 90 and color the box in red. Now we are left with last set of numbers, that is from 91 to 100, and we'll color them light green. Let us begin with number 91 Color the box containing 91 in light green. Now look for number 92 and color the box containing number 92 in red color. Now let us find number 93 and color the box containing number 93 in light green. Can you look for 94? That's right. Now color the box in light green. Let us dash some light green color in the box containing number 95. Look for number 96 and color the box containing the number in light green. Let us add some light green color to the box containing number 97. After 97 we have 98, so let us find out number 98 and color it light green. Now, time to find number 99 and color it light green. Now look for number 100 and color the box containing number 100 in light green. Writing the numbers from 26 to 99 in words. Let's do it, kids. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35. 3, 6, 36. 3, 7, 37. 3, 8, 38. 3, 9, 39. 4, 0, 40. 4, 1, 41. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. 5, 1, 51. 5, 2, 52. 5, 3, 53. 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. 5, 6, 56. 5, 7, 57. 5, 8, 58. 5, 9, 59. 6, 0, 60. 6, 1, 61. 6, 2, 62. 6, 3, 63. 64, 64, 65, 65, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70, 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, 90, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, and last but not the least, 99, 99. Introducing 100.
Here are 100 candies.
Hey, hooray! I scored a century.
I counted these bangles. They are 10 tens.
I bought 100 oranges.
All of you have the same number of things, but each of you said it in a different way. A century has 100 units, or simply, it's 100. 10 tens are also 100. Sonu put 100 beads from this string into a purse. Here is a purse of 100. If you notice this picture, each bundle has 10 sticks. Now let us count the number of bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 bundles of sticks. And each bundle has 10 sticks. So what will you write in the box? Yes, 10. 10 tens of sticks make 100 sticks. Now here, we will see notes of 20 rupees. Let us count the number of notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 notes of 20 rupees each, which makes dash rupees. Well, if you notice, it makes 100 rupees. That is 100 rupees. So you will write 100 in the box. Whole hundreds. Hundreds. Now children, let us learn about 100. 9 beads and 1 bead together makes 10 beads. You know what? A group of 10 things is called a 10. Now 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to it, we get the 3-digit number 100. Let us see how. Now, 9 tenths and 9 units, that is 99, plus 1 would be equal to 100. Well, in the answer, under units place you have 0 and under tens place you have 10 tenths. You know what? The new place on the left in the 3-digit number 100 is the place of hundreds. 100 means 0 units, 0 tenths and 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. Now similarly, if you see the bags, 200 means 200. 300 means 300. 400 means 400. 500 means 500. 900 means 900. Now let us revise the concept of hundreds. For that, we will use the picture of crackers. You love crackers, right? But do you know that they pollute the environment? Alright. Now 10 tenths make 100. That is 100, which is 100. 20 tenths make 200. That is 200, which is 200. 40 tenths make 400. That is 400, which is 400. 50 tenths make 500. That is 500, which is 500. Three-digit numbers. Introduction. In the empty boxes, write the number in words. Here we have crayons, and the next columns are hundreds, tens, units. Now we've got to write the number in figures and in words. Let us see the first picture. Here we have a box of 100 crayons and one more crayon, which means it is 100, 0 tenths, 1 unit. In figures it would be 101 and in words 101. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 2 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tenths, 2 units. In figures it would be 102 and in words 102. Now the next picture has 100 crayons and 3 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 3 units. In figure it is 103, in words it is 103. Now the next picture. The next picture has a box of 100 crayons and 4 more crayons. Well, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 4 units. In figures it would be 104 and in words it would be 104. Now the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 5 more crayons, which means it is 100, 0 tens, 5 units. In figure it would be 105 and in words it is 105. Next is a box of 100 crayons and 6 more crayons. So it would be 100, 0 tens, 6 units. In figures it would be 106. In words it is 106. Now we have a box of 100 crayons and 7 more crayons. So it means it is 100, 0 tens, 7 units. In figures it would be 107 and in words 107. Let us see the next picture. A box of 100 crayons and 8 more crayons. Well, that means it is 100, 0 tens, 8 units. In figure it is 108. In words it is 108. Now the next picture, it has a box of 100 crayons and 9 more crayons. So it is 100, 0 tens, 9 units. In figures it is 109 and in words 109. Now the last picture. A box of 100 crayons and 10 crayons, which means it is 100, 110, 0 units. In figures it is 110 and in words it is 110. Three-digit numbers. Introduction. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads on the wires. Write the numbers in figures and in words. Now let us see the first picture. To begin, let us count the hundreds. There are 1 and 2 hundreds. Now let us see the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, which means 4 ones. So, that is why at the hundreds place we have 2 beads, at tens place we have 5 beads, and at units place we have 4 beads. So 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 units. In figure you write it as 254, while in words it is 254. Now let us see the next picture. First we will count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. There is 1 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extra beads, which means 7 ones. So that is why at the wire of 100 we have 6 beads, at tens wire 1 bead, at units wire 7 beads. which means it is 600, 110 and 7 units. So in figures it is 617, while in words it is 617. Let us see the next picture. We'll begin the counting with counting of hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, 4 hundreds. How many tens? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 1 extra bead. Which means at the wire of hundreds there are 4 beads. At the wire of tens, 3 beads. And at the wire of units, 1 bead. So, it is 400, 3 tens and 1 unit, which means in figure it is 431 and in words it is 431. Now let us see the next picture. Let us count the hundreds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hundreds. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1, 2, 2 extra beads, that is 2 ones. So, at the hundreds wire, we will make 7 beads. At the tens wire, 4 beads. At the units wire, 2 beads. Which means it is 7 hundreds, 4 tens and 2 units. So in figure, it is 742 and in words, it is 742. Now let us see the next picture. We have units first. So we will count the extra beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 8 units. There is no tens. Let us count the hundreds then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. So at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 8 beads. There will be no bead at the tens wire and 8 beads at the units wire. In figure, it is 808 and in words, it is 808. Now the next picture. First we can see the tens, so we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. Now let us count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. Now the extra beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra beads means 5 units. Now at the wire of hundreds, we'll make 5 beads. At the wire of tens, we'll make 8 beads. At the wire of unit, we'll make 5 beads. In figures, it is 585 and in words, it is 585. Now the next picture. First we will count the extra beads. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 extra beads mean 9 units. Now the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. Now the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. So at the hundreds wire, we'll make 4 beads. At the tens wire, we'll make 9 beads. And even at the units wire, we will make 9 beads. Which means it is 400, 9 tens, 9 units. So in figure, it is 499. And in words, it is 499. Now the next picture, first we'll count the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens and 100. There is no units. So, at the hundreds wire, we'll make 1 bead. At the tens wire, 9 beads. And at the units wire, no bead. Which means it is 100, 9 tens and 0 units. So in figure, it is 190. In words, it is 190. Three-digit numbers, writing and reading. Write the correct number in the box and read it aloud. Now let us begin with it. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Box. What comes after 105? You write 106. So we will write 106 in the box, that is 106. Then we have 107, again a box. After 107, we have 108, that is 108. So we will write it in the box. And after that, we have 109, 110. Now, the next column. 211, 212, 213, 214. Box. After 214, we have 215. So we will write 215, that is 215 in the box. Then we have 216, 217. Box. After 217, it is 218, that is 218. So write it in the box. And we have 219, 220. Now let us see the next column. 321, box. After 321, we have 322. So in the box you will write 322, which is 322. Then 323, then there's another box. After 323, we have 324. So in the box you will write 324, which is 324. Then 325, then again a box. In this box you will write 326. Which is 326, then 327, 328, another box. After 328, we have 329. So in the box you will write 329 and 330. 431, 432, box. After 432, we have 433, that is 433, then 434, 435, there's another box. After 435, we have 436, which is 436. Then 437, 438, then another box. Well, after 438, we have 439, which is 439, and then 440. Now the next column. 541. After that, we have 542. So in the column, you will write 542, then 543, 544, another box. After 544, you have 545. So you will write 545. Now there's another box. After 545, we have 546. That is 546. Now we have 547 in another two boxes. After 547, we have 548. That is 548. And then 549, which is 549. In the end, we have 550. Now the next column. 651, 652, box. After 652, we have 653, which is 653. You can write it in the box. And after 653, there is 654. That is 654. So write it in the box. Then we have 655, another box, in which you will write 656, which is 656. Then 657. The next would be a box. Well, after 657, we have 658. So we will write 658. That is 658. Now we have 659 and then again a box. After 659, we have 700, which is 700. So we will write that in the box. Now the next column. 761, 762, and there is a box. After 762 comes 763, which is 763. So write it in the box. Then 764, then again a box. After 764, we have 765. That is 765, so write it in the box. Then 766, another box. After 766, we have 767, which is 767, so write it in the box. Then we have 768 and another box. After 768 comes 769. So you write 769 in the box and then we have 770. Now the next column. 871, 872, now a box. Well, after 872 you have 873. That is 873, so write it in the box. Now 874, 875, another box. After 875 you have 876, that is 876, so write it in the box. Then you have 877, now you have two boxes. After 877, you have 878, which is 878, so write it in the box. After 878, we have 879, that is 879, so write it in the box. And now we have 880. Now the last column. 981, 982, box. After 982, we have 983. That is 983, so write it in the box. And after that, we have 984. That is 984, so write it in the box. Now you have 985 followed by 2 boxes. After 985 comes 986, that is 986, so write it in the box. And after 986 we have 987, that is 987, so write it in the box. And after that we have 988, then again a box. Post 988 we have 989, that is 989, so we'll write it in the box. And in the end we have 990. Make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. Let us see the digits. They are 1, 2, 3. Now we need to make 3-digit numbers, but we need to use all the digits only once. So how many numbers can we make? 123. Then we can have 132. Can you suggest some more? You're right, 213 or 312. We can also have 321. Now here we have numbers 3, 0, 5. And we need to make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digit only once. We can make 305 and even 350. Can you guess some more? You're right, 530 and 503. Here you need to note something, that 035 or 053 are not 3-digit numbers because these numbers are written as 35 and 53 using only 2 digits. Now, take any 3-digit number, change the digit in its 100th place and make a new number. Likewise, change the digits in the tens and units place to make new numbers. Now here, let us see the picture. We have digits 6, 7, 8. Let us make a 3-digit number out of it. It could be 678. Here the digit in hundreds place is 6. Now let us change the number 6 by 5. So the new number would be 578. Now let us change the digits at the tens and units place. Well, the original number is 678. In the tens place the digit is 7 and in the units place the digit is 8. Let us change both these digits. At the tens place let us write 9 and at the units place let us write 5. So the new number is 695. Now let us see the next picture. Digits are 6, 2, 1. Well, let us make a 3-digit number. It could be 621. In 621, the digit at hundreds place is 6. Now let us change this digit by number 3. So the new number would be having digits 3, 2, 1. That means the number would be 321. Now change the digits at the tens place and the units place. First, let us see the original number, which is 621. The digit at tens place is 2 and units place is 1. Now let us replace the digit at tens place by 4 and the number at units place by 3. So the new number would have digits 643, that is 643. Here is the next picture. The digits are 4, 9, 5. That means 495. Now here the digit at hundreds place is 4. Let us change it and write 7. So the new number would have digits 7, 9, 5. That means the 3-digit number would be 795. Now let us change the digits at the tens place and the units place. First, let us see the original number, that is 495. The digit at tens place is 9 and the digit at units place is 5. Let us replace the digit at tens place by 8 and the digit at units place by 6. Now the new number would have digits 4, 8, 6. That is 486. Now the last picture with the digits 3, 7, 0. That means the 3-digit number would be 370. Now here, the digit at hundreds place is 3. Let us change it by 1. So the new number would have digits 170, that is 170. Now let us change digits at tens and units place. The original number is 370, which means the number at tens place is 7 and the number at units place is 2. Now let us change the digits. Now let us change the digit at tens place by 6 and at the units place by 2. So the new number would have digits 3, 6, 2. That means the number would be 362. The number before, the number after. Well, let's learn about that. Read the numbers in the number strips below. Let's do it together. 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now the next strip. 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226. Now the next is 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. With the help of the number strips above, Write the next number. Well, the first is 105. What number comes after 105? If we check the number strip, it is 106. So after 105, we have 106. 220. The number strip shows that after 220, we have 221. Next is 409. After 409, we have 410. Next is 219. According to the number strip, after 219, we have 220. With the help of the number strips above, write the number just before. Box 400. What comes before 400? If you check the number strip, it is 399. So 399 comes before 400. Next is a number before 107. According to the number strip, 106 comes before 107. So we will write 106. Now the next one, what comes before 218? Before 218, we have 217. So 217 comes before 218. What comes before 110? The number that comes before 110 is 109. So 109 comes before 110. With the help of the number strips above, write the numbers just before and just after. We need to write a number before 217 and after 217. If you check the number strip, 216 comes before 217 and 218 comes after 217. Next is 100. 99 comes before 100 and 101 comes after 100. 409. If you check the strips, 408 comes before 409 and 410 comes after 409. Here are some few questions. By how much is the next number bigger than the given number? If you notice the number strip, you will find that the next number is bigger than the given number by 1. So the answer is 1. We'll write 1 in the box. Next question. By how much is the number just before a given number smaller than the given number? The number just before a given number is smaller than the given number by 1. So the answer is 1, and in the box we'll write 1. What is the number we get by adding 1 to 435? You are right. The number is 436. What is the number we get by taking away 1 from 435? That's correct, children. It's 434. Write the number just before and the number just after. 119. The number before 119 is 118. Number after 119 is 120. Now the next one. Box 200 box. The number before 200 is 199. So we'll write 199 over here. And number after 200 is 201. So we'll write 201 over here. Box 391 box. The number before 391 is 390. So we'll write 390 over here. Now the number after 391 is 392. So we'll write 392. Next is box 599 box. The number before 599 is 598. So we'll write it here in the box. And number after 599 is 600. So we'll write 600 in the box. Box 800 box. The number before 800 is 799. So we'll write 799 over here. The number after 800 is 801. So we'll write 801 over here. Box 707 box. The number before 707 is 706. So we'll write 706 here in the box. And the number after 707 is 708. So we'll write 708 over here. Write any three numbers that come after the given number. Now an example is already explained for us. After 555, we can write any number which is greater than 555. It could be 600. A number which is bigger than 600 would be written in the next box. It could be 650. Now the third number which could be bigger than 650 could be 977. Now let us solve the sum over here. 399 box, box, box. Here we need to write a number which is greater than 399. Let's write 500. Now we need to write a number in the next box which is greater than 500. It is 699. Now in the third box we can write 707. The next question. Write any three numbers that come before the given number. Box, 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 500. Now this has been solved for us. We can take any number that comes before 500. It could be 407. So we'll write 407 over here. Now let us take another number which is smaller than 407. Say 312. Now in the last box we'll write the number which is smaller than 312. Let's say 99. Now let us solve the next sum. Box, box, box 601. Here we need to write a number before 601 that is smaller than 601. So we can write 499. In this box you will write a number that is even smaller than 499. Any number. Well, we can write 165. Now in the last box we'll write a number which is smaller than 165, be it any number. Can you suggest one? Right, we can write 70 in that box. Using symbols to show smaller and bigger. Say which number is bigger and which smaller. Number 8, 2. Well, you can easily make out that 2 is smaller and 8 is bigger. 77, 59. You're right, 59 is smaller and 77 is bigger. 39 and 9. 9 is smaller and 39 is bigger. 14, 35. 14 is smaller and 35 is bigger. 67, 32. 32 is smaller and 67 is bigger. Using the symbols. Now we've already understood the concept of bigger number and smaller number. We can actually represent that by using symbols. Let's see an example. Now we have numbers 5 and 2. You know that 5 is definitely bigger than 2, so you can write it as 5, symbol of bigger or greater than 2. And we read it as 5 is bigger than 2. Now here's another example. We have 2 and 5. Now you know that 2 is smaller than 5, so you write it like this. 2, symbol of smaller than 5. And you read it as 2 is smaller than 5. Now next is 27 and 40. You know that 27 is smaller than 40. So 27, a symbol of smaller than 40. We read it as 27 is less than 40. Next is 91 and 49. You can very well make out that 91 is greater than 49. So 91, a symbol of greater, then you write 49. It is read as 91 is greater than 49. Write the correct symbol in the box. Now let us try and solve some sums in order to make this concept even more clear. 10, box 9. Now 10 is greater than 9. So we'll put a symbol of greater like this. 50 box 49. 50 is greater than 49. So we'll put the symbol of greater or bigger towards 50 like this. 500 box 499. Now 500 is greater than 499. So we'll put the symbol of greater towards 500 in this manner. 9 box 10. 9 is smaller than 10. So we'll put a symbol of smaller or lesser towards 9. 49 box 50. 49 is lesser than 50. So we'll put a symbol of lesser facing towards 49 in this manner. 499 box 500. Again, 499 is lesser than 500. So we'll put the symbol of lesser towards 499. 5 box 3. 5 is bigger than 3. So we'll put a symbol of greater towards 5 as 5 is greater than 3. 23 box 25. Now here 23 is smaller than 25. So we'll put a symbol of lesser in this manner, showing that 23 is lesser than 25. 500 box 300. Now 500 is bigger than 300. So we'll put a symbol of greater facing 500, showing that 500 is greater than 300. 3 box 5. Now 3 is smaller than 5. So we'll put a symbol of lesser facing 3, which will show that 3 is lesser than 5. 73 box 75. 73 is smaller than 75. So we'll put a symbol of smaller facing 73, showing 73 is lesser than 75. 600 box 400. 600 is bigger than 400. So we'll put a symbol of bigger or greater facing towards 600 and showing 600 is greater than 400.
Tai, we can tell the smaller number and bigger number if the two given numbers have 2 digits. But what if one is a 2-digit number and the other is 3-digit number?
Tony, first tell me the biggest 2-digit number.
That's easy. 99 is the biggest of all the 2-digit numbers. The next number after 99 is 100. And that's a 3-digit number.
Then you know that a 2-digit number may be 99 or a number smaller than 99. Hence, any 2-digit number is smaller than 100. A 3-digit number can be 100 or bigger than 100.
Oh, this tells us that a 3-digit number is always bigger than a 2-digit number, isn't it?
Just as we know that a 2-digit number is always bigger than a 1-digit number, isn't it?
Absolutely right. Smaller and bigger numbers continued.
Tai, tell me, if we have two 3-digit numbers, how do we tell which is bigger and which is smaller?
Well, let's take some easy examples. Take the numbers 500 and 300. Which of these is the bigger number?
Shall I?
Alright, Salma, you tell me the answer.
500 are bigger than 300. So, 500 is greater than 300.
That's right, Salma. Very good. Now, let's look at 325 and 625. Here the units and the tens of the two numbers are equal. But 600s are bigger than 300s. So, 625 is greater than 325.
Tai, but what to do if the units, tens and 100 digits in two numbers are all different?
Let us take 495 and 812.
In 495, the number in the hundreds place is 4. It is smaller than the hundreds in 812. Now this is very important, children. What is the next whole number after 495?
Oh, that's very easy. That's 500 and 495 is less than 500.
That's right, Tony. Now 812 has 800s. We know that 500 is lesser than 800 and 800 is lesser than 812. So, 495 is lesser than 812. Got it?
Yes! Not too difficult if we work it out like this.
It means that if two three-digit numbers are given, the one with the bigger digit in the hundreds place is the bigger number.
Which is the bigger and which is the smaller number? Kids, I'll take some examples so that it becomes easy for all of you to understand. Well, my first example is 721 box 589. Here, 721 is greater than 589. Now, let us see the next example. 423 box 723. Here, 723 is greater than 423. Now, one more example. 600 box 497. Here 600 is greater than 497. So we can put the bigger sign facing 600.
But what if the digit in the hundred place of both the numbers are the same? Let's take 780 and 720.
Salma, that's easy too. If the hundreds are the same, look at the numbers made by the tens and units.
So we must compare 20 and 18 in 720 and 718, right? 20 is greater than 18, so 720 is greater than 718.
That's correct, Sonu. If the hundreds in two numbers are the same, then the number with the bigger tens is the bigger number. And if the hundreds as well as the tens are equal, then look at the units to decide which is the bigger number. Did you get it, class?
Yes!
Put the right symbol, lesser or greater, between the numbers in each pair. 427 box 267. Here 427 is greater than 267. So we'll put a sign of greater facing towards 427. 150 box 501. Now 150 is lesser than 501. So we'll put a sign of lesser towards 150. 813 box 79. Now 813 is greater than 79. So we'll put a sign of greater facing towards 813. 300 box 624. Now here 300 is lesser than 624. So we'll put a sign of lesser towards 300. Ascending and descending order. Well, you definitely have a clue about ascending and descending order, right? If you write the smallest number first and goes on towards bigger and bigger numbers, and in the end when you write the biggest number, it is ascending order. While the exactly opposite of ascending order is descending order, where you write the biggest number first, then smaller, then even smaller, and in the end, the smallest number. Now, these are the marks that Tony, Sonu, Salma, and Nandu got in maths. Tony got 70, Salma 87, Sonu 79, Nandu 85. Write the marks in ascending and descending order. First, we'll see the ascending order. You know that we've got to write the smallest first, that is 70. Then, a little bigger, that is 79, then even bigger, that is 85, and the biggest number, that is 87. So the ascending order would be 70, 79, 85, 87. Now I'll teach you about descending order. As I told you, the biggest comes first, so 87, then smaller, 85, even smaller, 79, and the smallest, 70. So the descending order would be 87, 85, 79, 70. Now let us solve some sums. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Numbers 55, 63, 40, 80. If you put them in ascending order, first you need to write the smallest, that is 40. Then bigger than 40, which is 55. Then even bigger than 55, which is 63. And then the biggest, that is 80. So the ascending order would be 40, 55, 63, 80. Now the descending order. For descending order, you start with the biggest number, so you write 80 first, then even smaller, which is 63, then even smaller than 63, which is 55, and in the end, 40. So the descending order would be 80, 63, 55, 40. Next set of numbers are 69, 9, 59, 70. For ascending order, first let us find the smallest number, which is 9. Then, a number bigger than 9 is 59, then 69, and in the end, 70. So the ascending order is 9, 59, 69, 70. Now we'll write the descending order, starting with the biggest number first. So it is 70, then numbers smaller than 70, which is 69, then 59, then 9. So the descending order is 70, 69, 59, 9. Now the last set of numbers 14, 29, 47, 39. Let us find out the smallest number. That is 14. So we will write 14 first. Then a number bigger than 14. That would be 29. Then a number bigger than 29 is 39. And in the end, 47. So the ascending order is 14, 29, 39, 47. Now let us write the descending order. For descending order, first we'll write the biggest number, that is 47, then 39, then 29, then 14. So the descending order is 47, 39, 29, 14. Write the numbers 122, 360, 325 in ascending and descending order. Now children, if you notice, the smallest number is 122. And the biggest number, that's right, is 360. So the ascending order would be 122, 325, 360. It can also be written as 122 is lesser than 325, which in turn is lesser than 360. Now the descending order. Well, it would be the reverse of ascending order, right? So it would be 360, 325, 122. So it can also be written as 360 is greater than 325, which in turn is greater than 122. Write the numbers 801, 617, 847, 799 in ascending and descending order. Well, if you notice, smallest number is 617. Remaining numbers are 801, 847, 799. Now smallest of these numbers is 799. Now the remaining numbers are 801, 847. Can you guess the smallest of these two numbers? That's right, it's 801 and the last one is 847. So the ascending order would be, it begins from the smallest and ends with the biggest. So it is 617, 799, 801, 847. The descending order would be 847, 801, 799, 617. Well, as I told you, descending order is reverse of ascending order. Alright. Ascending and descending order of numbers. Given numbers 217, 211, 215. The ascending order would be, that is from the smallest towards the biggest, would be 211, 215, 217. Now the descending order would be, that is from the biggest to the smallest, it would be 217, 215, 211. Next is 500, 400, 100, 600. Now, the ascending order would be 100, 400, 500, 600. The descending order would be 600, 500, 400, 100. Given numbers are 519, 419, 619. Now the ascending order would be 419, 519, 619. The descending order would be 619, 519, 419. The given numbers are 785, 757, 8, 81. Now the ascending order would be 8, 81, 757, 785. Now the descending order, which is the reverse of ascending order, would be 785, 757, 81, 8. Now the last set of given numbers are 15, 100, 81, 167. Now the ascending order would be 15, 81, 100, 167. The descending order would be 167, 100, 81, 15. Now let us see the next sum. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. 117, 69, 50, 8. First, we'll write in ascending order. For ascending order, the smallest number is 8 and the biggest number is 117. In between 69 and 50, 50 is smaller. So the ascending order would be 8, 50, 69, 117. Now let us see the descending order. For descending order, the biggest number is 117, 69, 50, 8. Now let us see the next set of numbers. 217, 271, 270. The smallest number is 270 and the biggest number is 271. So the ascending order would be 217, 270, 271. Now the descending order, which starts with the biggest number and ends with the smallest number, would be 271, 270, 217. Next is 365, 73, 12, 116. The smallest number is 12 and the biggest number is 363. So the ascending order would be 12, 73, 116, 365. The descending order is exactly opposite. So it is 365, 116, 73, 12. Now let us see the next set of numbers. 912, 27, 356. Here the smallest number is 27. Then we have 356 and the biggest number is 912. So the ascending order would be 27, 356, 912. Now let us see the descending order. For descending order, the biggest number is 912 and the smallest number is 27. So the descending order would be 912, 356, 27. Next is 315, 215, 515. The smallest number is 215 and the biggest number is 515. So the ascending order would be 215, 315, 515. Now the descending order would start with 515. So it would be 515, 315, 215. Now the next set of numbers are 527, 8, 324, 63. Smallest is 8 and the biggest is 527. In 324 and 63, 63 is smaller. So the ascending order would be 8, 63, 324, 527. While the descending order would begin with 527 and end with 8. So it would be 527, 324, 63, 8. Now let us see the next set of numbers. 88, 78, 75. Now the smallest number is 75 and the largest number is 88. So the ascending order would be 75, 78, 88. Now the descending order. The biggest number is 88 and the smallest number is 75. So the descending order would be 88, 78, 75. The next set of numbers are 500, 501, 499, where the smallest number is 499 and the biggest number is 501. So the ascending order would be 499, 500, 501, while the descending order would be 501, 500, 499. Next set of numbers are 285, 407, 589, 360. Now the smallest number 285 and the biggest number 589. In 407 and 360, 360 is smaller, so the ascending order is 285, 360, 407, 589, while the descending order would be 589, 407, 360 and 285. Now the next set of numbers are 888, 788, 688. The smallest number is 688 and the largest number is 888. So the ascending order would be 688, 788, 888. So the descending order would be 888, 788, 688. Now the next set of numbers 105, 107, 101, 102. Here the smallest number is 101 and the biggest number is 107. So the ascending order would be 101, 102, 105, 107. The descending order would begin with 107, 105, 102, 101. Now the last set of numbers are 909, 990, 999. Smallest is 909 and the biggest is 999. So the ascending order is 909, 990, 999. So the descending order is 999, 990, 909. Biggest and smallest numbers from given digits. Children, let's make 3-digit numbers using the digits 2, 3 and 5.
Do we use one digit only once? Yes. Otherwise, we will get too many numbers like 222, 232, 233, 323, 333, 235, 253. So many numbers like these.
But if we use each digit only once, then of course we get only the number 235, 253, 325, 352, 532 and 523.
Okay, now compare these numbers and decide which ones are smaller and which ones bigger.
532 and 523 have the biggest 100 digits. If we compare these two, 32 is bigger than 23. So, 532 is greater than 523. So, 532 is the biggest of all the numbers we can make from the digits 2, 3 and 5.
Of the numbers we made here, take those with 2 in the 100 place. That is 235 and 253. Now 35 is smaller than 53. So 235 is smaller than 253.
Very good.
Now Instead of making all the numbers from the given digits, wouldn't we make the biggest and the smallest number straight away?
Yes, of course. The biggest number will have the biggest digit in the hundreds place. Then, to make the bigger number from the remaining two digits, we put the bigger digit in the tens place.
So, to make the biggest number, write the digits in the descending order. In our example, the biggest number is 532.
Shall I say how to make the smallest number from 3 given digits? Let's write the smallest digit in the hundred place and the biggest digit in the units place. The remaining digit goes in the tens place. It means that if we write the given digits in the ascending order, we get the smallest 3-digit number. Here it is 235.
Suppose there's a 0 given. Do we still do the same?
No. If we do that, then we will get a 2-digit number and not a 3-digit number. Let's take 5, 0 and 2. If there's 0 in the hundreds place, we get the numbers 0, 2, 5. That would be 025 or 052, which would be 052. But these can be written as 25 and 52 in 2 digits. So they are really 2-digit numbers.
So, if a 0 is given, let's put the smaller non-zero number in the hundreds place.
Then we will write 0 in the tens place and the remaining digit in the unit place.
Yes. So the smallest 3-digit number from the digits 5, 0 and 2 is 205. Well, I'm sure you've all understood it very well.
Yes!
Make the biggest and smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. 9, 4, 6. Well, the smallest digit of all is 4. And out of 6 and 9, it is 6. And the biggest is 9. Now the biggest 3-digit number would be 964. So the smallest 3-digit number would be 469. Now this next set of digits is 7, 0, 4. Well, if you notice, the smallest number is 0. But we cannot create a 3-digit number with 0 in the beginning. So we'll consider the next smallest number, that is 4. And the biggest number is 7. So, well, the biggest number would be 740 and the smallest number would be 407. Now the next set of digits is 395, where the biggest number is 9 and the smallest number is 3. So the biggest 3-digit number would begin with 9 and it would be 953. And the smallest 3-digit number would be 359. Now the last set of digits are 8, 5, 9, where 9 is the biggest number and 5 is the smallest digit. So our biggest 3-digit number would begin with 9. It would be 985 and the smallest 3-digit number would be 589. The expanded form of a number. Kids, how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many units are there in 824?
824 means 8 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 units.
Exactly. This means that 824 is equal to 800 plus 20 plus 4.
By the same method, how to write 203?
It's so easy, Nandu. 203 is equal to 200 plus 3.
That is right, of course. But it is better to write the expanded form as 203 is equal to 200 plus 0 plus 3 because it tells us clearly the digits in the hundreds, tens and units place. In the same way, the expanded form of 80 will be 80 plus 0. If we take the single digit number 9, its expanded form can only be 9. Now children, let us write the expanded form of the following numbers. Let us take an example, 998. You can write it as 900 plus 90 plus 8. Now another example, 34. 34 is equal to 30 plus 4. Well, to make it more clear, let's take another example. 287. You can write it as 200 plus 80 plus 7. Next one, 534. 534 is equal to 500 plus 30 plus 4. Another one, 76. 76 is equal to 70 plus 6. 301. 301 is equal to 300 plus 0 plus 1. Well, now we'll take 90. 90 is equal to 90 plus 0. Let us take 45. 45 is equal to 40 plus 5. Now in the end, let us take 13. 13 is equal to 10 plus 3. Now kids, I have given you so many examples. Well, can you write the number from its expanded form? Take 500 plus 30 plus 7. This is the expanded form of a number.
I'll try. 500 plus 30 plus 7 is equal to 537.
Very good, Salma. You have already learned how to make number from expanded form. Let's try it now. Write the number from its expanded form. 700 plus 0 plus 5. That's right, it is equal to 705. 30 plus 9. That is equal to 39. 40 plus 4, which is equal to 44. 400 plus 60 plus 7, and that is equal to 467. 200 plus 10 plus 1. You're right, it is 211. 300 plus 0 plus 6. That's correct, it's 306. 800 plus 0 plus 0. So the answer is 800 itself. 100 plus 50 plus 0, which means it is equal to 150. Place value. Tell me, Of which number is this the expanded form? 400 plus 40 plus 7?
It's easy. 447.
That's so funny. First we used the digit 4 for 400 and then we used it for 40.
You must remember that the place of a digit determines its value. The value of the 4 in the hundreds place is 400, but the value of 4 in the tens place is 40. The 7 in the units place is equal to just 7. The value that a digit has according to its place in a number is called its place value. In the number 576, the place value of 5 is 500, the place value of 7 is 70, and that of 6 is 6. Now let's look at some other examples. 934. The place value of 9 is 900. The place value of 3 is 30. The place value of 4 is 4. 705. Here, the place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 5 is 5. Now, some more examples. 444. Don't give me that confused look. Let me explain you. Here, 4 at hundreds place has place value of 400. 4 at tens place has place value of 40. And 4 at units place has place value as 4. Now 639. 6 is under 100. That means 6 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 6 is 600. 3 is under tens. That is 3 tens, which means 30. So the place value of 3 is 30. Now 9 is written under units, which means it is 9 units, and that is 9. Place value of 9 is 9. Well, let us write the place values of the underlined digit. 919. In 919, we have 2 nines. But we have to tell the place value of 9, which is underlined. Now the underlined 9 is 900, which means the place value of underlined 9 is 900. 135. Here the place value of 3, which is underlined, is 30. 20. Place value of 0, that is underlined, is 0. 305. Here 5 is underlined. Place value of 5 is 5 itself. 480. 4 is underlined. Place value of 4 is 400. Now lastly, 32. Place value of 3, which is underlined, is 30. A number and its expanded form. Folding fun. Children, let's make a folding card to show a 3-digit number and its expanded form. Well, take a strip of paper and fold it into 7 equal parts as shown alongside. Think of a 3-digit number, say 435. Write the expanded form of this number on the paper strip as shown above. That would be 400 plus 30 plus 5. Now fold the paper along the bold lines as shown in the figure alongside. By folding the paper, 00 plus and 0 plus are hidden, and the only number 435 can be seen. Thus, we can show the number when the paper strip is folded and its expanded form when it is unfolded. Isn't it fun? Alright. Introducing the number 1000. We get 100 when we add 99 and 1. That is, 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Now let us add 1 to 999 in vertical arrangement. Like this. 9 units plus 1 unit makes 10 units. That makes 110, which is carried over. Now, 9 tenths and 1 10 makes 10 tenths, which is 100. 9 hundreds and 100 makes 10 hundreds. This again gives us a 1 which has to be carried over. So, we make a new place for this carried over 1. This is the thousands place. In the number 1000, there is 1 in the thousands place and there are zeros in all other places. This number is read as 1000. 10 beads in one string. Then 1000 beads in 100 such strings. Hence, 100 tens also make 1000.
Thanks for watching Home Revise. Please like, subscribe and share this video.